Relive the good memories at the 10th Annual Toy Train and Collectible Show the weekend of December 8th and 9th at the St. Mark's School Gym. Take a trip back in time with toys and trains to buy, sell, or trade, plus enjoy authentic working displays. Admission is $7 or $12 per family, with kids under 12 free. Proceeds benefit the Derek Wagner Memorial Scholarship Foundation. For info, call 373-9603 or visit DerekWagnerFoundation.com. Don't miss the memories at the Toy and Train Show Saturday and Sunday, December 8th and 9th.